Welcome guys. In this tutorial we're going to learn finally Liquid. So we're going to start with comments, how to write comments in Liquid. But before to do that, we'll show you some VS Code extension that we're going to use in order to help us to quickly and easily write Liquid code in VS Code. Alright, so to do that, I'm gonna open my terminal. I already have mine open here. I will start my development server. So it's Shopify team dev. Remember, I already passed the -- store flag following the name of the store. For the second time, I don't have to do that. But in the case, let's say I was trying to work with another store, in this case here, I have to pass the flag, so which is not my situation now. I will press enter. I'm gonna press T. We're gonna do some cleanup before to continue. So let me just reduce that, and I have the hot link here. All right, so what I'm going to do is to show you the extension I'm using. So the first one is Prettier. If you just go to search for Prettier, you're gonna have Prettier code formatter. And the second one, it's from Shopify themselves. So I have like two. So the first one is Shopify Liquid from shopify.com. So go ahead and install this one. And the second one is Shopify Liquid template snippet. It's from Frankie Lau. So go ahead and install it. All right. So this is just for the front end. And if you want something for the back end, you have also the GraphQL from GraphQL Foundation. So if you want to go ahead and install this one also, but it's not really important for now. All right, so once we do have all of that, we're going to do some quick cleanup. I'm gonna reduce this terminal like this. I will put my VS Code like that, and I'm gonna reduce this like this. Okay, everything goes good. We're gonna go to snippet. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a new file inside the snippet folder, and we're gonna call it learning.liquid. So the extension here, it is .liquid, not .html. Next things I want to do is to delete all this code here. So to do that, I'm gonna go to the layout folder, theme.liquid. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, for now, we're gonna learn all of this in the future video. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna save it, and we got rid of the header and the footer. I will go to the sections, and I will look for hello world, which I see here. Okay, and I will Control A and remove everything and save it. I can even delete this hello world.liquid. We can delete it. We're going to go back to the layout folder and click on the theme.liquid. On the body tag just below here, we're gonna write the following codes. We're gonna write render, and if you install the extension I just gave you, you're gonna have the same completion just like I have here. So render, and we're gonna provide the name of the file we created inside the snippet folder, which is learning.liquid. So we're just gonna write here the name of the file without the extension, that's liquid. So if I save it, we're going to see nothing for now, and I will go to learning liquid, and here I will write, let's say, hello there, and if I save it, I should have hello there. Perfect. So we are good to go. All right, so just for you to know that this that's liquid inside this file, we can write HTML and CSS, even JavaScript here. All right, so yeah, so we can start to learn Liquid right now. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to learn, as in every coding or programming language, is to learn how to write a command. I made some file here where I'm going to put some text, name it liquid course.md. Just like in other programming language, commands in Liquid are just notes. Okay, command is just a note that you leave in the code either for yourself or for other developers. They are ignored the browser and the Shopify engine. Okay, so they don't affect the final output page. So how to write a command in Shopify? So we have two ways of writing commands. So I forget to add the other way. My bad, this is HTML. Okay, so it's going to be something like this. Okay, there you go. All right, so you have two ways to write a command in Shopify Liquid. So this is the multi-line commands, and this is the one-line commands. All right, and before we go practice that. And we have the reason why to use the commands. So if you've been doing HTML, CSS, even JavaScript, you know why we use the command. So I don't need to go deeper into that subject. How to write a command. So let's go back to our folder, learning Liquid. Okay, so I'm gonna close all of this. To write a command, we need to go first with the syntax, which is the double curly, and to add open the percent sign. And because I have this extension, so it's like done very quickly like this. Okay, so we're gonna learn first what is the inline command. So when you have these curly brackets open like this, this curlies and this percent inside, you can just use the pound. Everything that coming after is a comment. So we can say here, this is an inline comment. Okay, and if you save that, you go here, you don't see anything on the browser. And even though you go to inspect the codes, you are not gonna see nothing here. Okay, compared to HTML, because you can also use HTML commands. This is an HTML command. Okay, so let me put some tag here. Let's say p hello there. The differences between the HTML commands and the Liquid command is the HTML command is going to be visible in the inspect mode. Okay, just like you can see here, this is the HTML command, is the one I just made here. If I add 1 here, or 1, 2, 3, just for you to see, we're gonna have it reflected here. Just to give it a moment. Maybe I need to hard reload. There you go. So you have this is the HTML 1, 2, 3. The other ways to write command is the multi-line command, which is almost the same syntax. You open the curlies, so you put the percent inside and you write commands as the keyword, and you must close it like this with the percent inside, and then you have to write end commands. So this is the multi-line command. So everything that is in between is going to be commented out. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to see you on the next one where we're going to learn variables in Liquid. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this content, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.